Hello everyone, this is Mr. and Mrs. E. Welcome to our cooking channel. Today we're going to show you how to make sweet and sour pork, a Chinatown favorite. When pork meets pineapple, good things happen. We need 2 pounds pork and cut it into 1-inch cubes. And then place the cubed pork in a medium bowl. I put 1 teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 egg white, and 3 green onions chopped. Now you'll need to combine everything evenly. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 1 hour. While the pork is marinating, let's prepare the vegetables. I'm chopping 5 stalks of celery into 1/2-inch pieces. I'm removing the seeds and the membranes from a large green bell pepper and chopping it into bite-sized squares. For the onion, you can either cut it into wedges or cubes. Not too thin, otherwise they will disappear when you stir fry them. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a wok over medium heat. Stir in the onion, green pepper, and celery, and cook until they get tender. Now I'm seasoning it with some salt and sugar. When it's done, remove from heat and set aside. In a saucepan, I'm pouring 2 cups of water, adding 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2/3 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of ketchup. Stir it for a while and add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Then the sauce for this dish is done, and we can set it aside. Heat 1 quart of oil to 353 degrees Fahrenheit in a large, heavy saucepan. Mr. E is really good at this, so I just let him do this. And we prepared a cup of cornstarch, and we're going to coat the pork with the starch by see how evenly the pork is coated with the cornstarch. Deep fry the pork in small batches and don't crowd the pan. When the pork is golden brown, it's done. Now we need to drain them on paper towels. We put the sauce we prepared before into a big wok. Bring to a boil, add the pork. Stir for a while, and add in the vegetable mixture. Add a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks with the juice. The final step is to add a slurry of 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, mixed into a 1/4 cup of water. This will thicken our sauce. Simmer it for a few minutes more until it's done. Sprinkle a little toasted sesame on the top for that classic Chinatown touch.